Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create this halftone text effect. Let's open a new document, select the Type tool and type Wave. If you wish, change the font style. Next, select the Curvature tool and draw a shape similar to this one. Be sure the shape layer is above the text layer. Now select everything and then either go to Object, Envelope, Distort and choose Make with Tab Object, or press the Ctrl, Alt and C keys on your keyboard instead. If you wish to edit the shape, switch to the Direct Selection tool, select a desired anchor point and adjust it. To edit text, first switch to the Selection tool and then click on the Edit Contents icon from the Tab toolbar. Now change the font or adjust the style. Select everything, go to Object, Expand and click OK. Next, go to Effect, Blur and choose Radial Blur. Leave the amount value as it is and change the quality to Best. Go to Object again and choose Rasterize to create an image. Let's add another effect. Go to Effect, Pixelate and choose Color Halftone. Let's change all values to 20. To make any changes, open the Appearance panel, click on Color Halftone and adjust the values. Next, we'll get rid of white color around the text. First, open the Image Trace panel. You can find it under the Window menu. Click on this arrow to open more options. And be sure Ignore Color is selected. Now check the preview box to see the results. Use the sliders to adjust the threshold, paths, corners, or noise. Let's close this window. To activate the Fill option, select Expand from the Tab toolbar. Now we can choose a desired color or apply a background. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.